Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the Simple English Podcast, where learning English is always easy, slow, and fun. I am your host, Asher James.
And I am Siren. Hello, Asher. And a big hello to all of our listeners joining us today. It is so good to be back here to practice English with all of you.
It is great to have you back, Siren. How are you doing today?
I am feeling absolutely wonderful. Thank you. I am feeling very happy and very relaxed today.
Ooh, relaxed. That is a fantastic word for our beginners to learn. You do look very relaxed, Siren.
Thank you, Asher. I had a very good week. How about you? How was your week?
My week was good, but it was very busy with lots of work. I am happy it is finally time for the podcast.
Me too, Asher. And today we have a very fun topic for our listeners. It is a topic that absolutely everyone loves.
Yes, today we are going to talk all about vacations.
Vacations. Yes, that is definitely a fun topic.
Today we are going to practice exactly how to talk about a vacation in English. We will learn how to ask questions and how to give answers.
That is so useful. Talking about happy things like a trip is a great way to practice speaking English without feeling nervous.
Exactly, Siren. But before we dive deep into talking about vacations, I have a very important question for all of our listeners. Have you ever wanted to share your amazing travel stories with a new English-speaking friend, but felt completely stuck trying to find the right words?
That is a great question, Asher. If you have ever felt that way, please stay with us until the end of this episode. We are going to give you all the vocabulary you need.
But wait, we have one small request for everyone listening right now. If you like our podcast, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, give us a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel to grow, and please subscribe to the Simple English podcast channel.
And if you have a friend who is also learning English, please share this podcast with them. Learning is always better with a friend.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Asher, I am ready. Let's talk about vacations.
Okay, so Siren, you just told me that you are feeling very relaxed. And I noticed that you were not here in the studio with me last week. Where were you, Siren?
Well, I was on vacation.
Aha, I knew it. That is wonderful, Siren. A vacation is always a good idea. So we must ask the most important question. Listeners, pay attention to this question. Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
The beach? Oh wow, I love the beach. That sounds absolutely perfect.
It really was. I went to a beautiful place called Sunshine Beach.
Sunshine Beach. Wow, that is a very happy name for a vacation spot. So tell us everything. How was it? Was it a good vacation?
It was fantastic, Asher. It was so good that I really did not want to come back home.
That is the ultimate sign of a truly great vacation. So what did you do all day? Did you do many different activities?
No, not really. And honestly, Asher, that was the best part of the entire trip. I did not do much at all.
Ah, I see. So it was a purely relaxing vacation. No stress, no busy schedules. What did you do in the morning?
In the morning, I woke up naturally at maybe 9 a.m. every day. Then I had a nice slow breakfast. I had a big cup of hot coffee and some fresh fruit.
Coffee and fresh fruit. Sounds delicious. And what did you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I went straight to the beach and walked on the warm sand. It was very quiet in the morning.
How was the weather? You said the name of the place was Sunshine Beach, so I assume it was sunny?
Yes, the weather was absolutely perfect. It was beautifully sunny and very warm every single day. No rain at all, just blue skies.
You are very lucky, Siren. So after your walk on the sand, what else did you do? Did you go swimming?
Yes, I went swimming in the ocean. The water was so blue and beautiful.
Was the water cold?
It was a little bit cold when I first went in, but after 1 minute, it was perfect and refreshing. I mostly just floated in the water and looked at the blue sky.
Siren, you are making me very jealous right now. What else did you do? Did you do any reading?
Yes, of course. I brought a very good book with me. I sat on a chair at the beach and I read my book for hours.
That is my absolute favorite thing to do. How long were you at the beach for this trip?
I was there for exactly 1 week, 7 wonderful days.
1 full week is a really great amount of time. And who did you travel with? Did you go with your family?
Yes, I went with my husband and our two energetic children. It was a very special family vacation.
What did the children do all day?
They played in the soft sand all day long. They built massive sand castles using their buckets and shovels. And they also found a lot of beautiful shells.
Did they collect the shells to bring home?
Yes, they did. We have a bag full of shells at home now. It is a great souvenir, a beautiful memory from the trip.
It sounds like everyone in the family was very happy.
Yes, we were. And the best part was, in the afternoon, we all went back to the hotel and took a nap. We slept for 1 hour every afternoon.
A glorious vacation nap. The beach always makes you feel very sleepy. Siren, this honestly sounds like the perfect vacation. But what about the food? What did you eat?
We ate a lot of fresh seafood from the ocean. We went to small local restaurants by the beach, so I did no cooking at all.
No cooking on vacation. That is a very good rule. What did you have for dessert?
Every single night, the children wanted ice cream. We walked to a small ice cream shop. I got chocolate, my husband got vanilla, and the children tried strawberry and mango.
That is the sound of a very happy family, having a great time. I am so glad you had that special time to disconnect, Siren.
Thank you, Asher. I feel ready to focus on work again. So that was my beach vacation. What about you, Asher? Do you have a vacation planned for the future?
Actually, yes, I do. I am going on vacation next month.
Oh, how wonderful. Where are you going to go?
I am packing my bags and I am going to the mountains.
The mountains. Oh, wow, that is very different from my beach vacation. No sand and no ocean.
Yes, exactly. I want to see the giant green trees and breathe the fresh mountain air.
That sounds lovely. What activities will you do there?
I am planning to be very active. I will go hiking.
Hiking for our beginners. Hiking means going for long walks in the forest, right?
Yes, exactly. I love to walk in the forest and maybe see some birds or wild animals.
Who are you going on this adventure with?
I am going with two of my very good friends. We rented a small house, a wooden cabin.
A cabin? That sounds so incredibly cozy. Does it have a fireplace?
Yes, it has a big fireplace to keep us warm. I definitely need to bring a warm jacket and warm socks because it is colder in the mountains.
Will you drive into town to eat at restaurants?
No, we plan to cook all of our own meals in the cabin's small kitchen. I think we will make a lot of hot pasta because it is easy.
I love pasta.
And at night, because it is cold, we will make hot chocolate. We will sit by the fire, drink hot chocolate, and talk, and play card games with friends.
Hot chocolate in a wooden cabin in the cold mountains. Asher, that is a truly perfect plan. I hope you have the absolute best time with your friends.
Thank you so much, Siren. I am counting the days. Now let's quickly review some of the vocabulary we used today.
Good idea. The main word is vacation, but you can also say trip.
Yes. And to ask a question, you use the past tense. Where did you go?
And the answer is, I went to the beach or I went to the mountains.
Then you can ask, how was it?
And you answer, it was wonderful or it was fantastic.
Finally ask, what did you do?
You can say, I went swimming, I relaxed, or I read a book. See, all very simple and useful words.
Well, Siren, our time is almost finished for today.
Time flies when we're talking about fun things like vacations.
Thank you to everyone for listening to us today. We hope this conversation helps your English practice.
Please remember to subscribe to the Simple English podcast channel and give this video a like.
And before we go, we have a question for you in the comments. Where did you go on your last vacation?
Tell us where you went and what you did, or tell us about your dream vacation? And
We are excited to read your answers in English. Thank you again, everyone. See you next time.
goodbye, everyone, and happy studying.